Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Learn English. I'm Lily. Today, you will listen to a short story, a true, life-changing story. This episode is part of our 5-minute listening and shadowing practice. You can enjoy this even if you only have 5 minutes on the bus, while cooking, or when you're walking home. It's a story about one small decision that changed everything. As you listen, you can shadow the words. Repeat after me, slowly and clearly. This story is for A1 to A2 English learners. I use simple and clear language, so take a deep breath, listen carefully, and then shadow with me. 3 years ago, I felt stuck. I had a job, but it wasn't interesting. I had family, but I felt lonely inside. Every day was the same. Wake up, eat breakfast, go to work, come home, watch TV, sleep. I wasn't sad, but I wasn't happy either. I felt empty. One day, I was sitting on my bed. It was Sunday morning. The sun was shining, but I felt tired. I looked at my phone. I saw a message from an old teacher. The message said, "Hello, how are you? Are you still learning English?" I stopped. English. I remembered. I used to study English in school. I loved it, but I stopped 5 years ago. I thought English was too difficult. I thought I was too busy. I thought it was too late for me. But that morning, something changed. I thought to myself, maybe I can try again, just for fun, just a little bit every day. So I did. I opened my phone and searched, Learn English for Beginners. I found a video. The teacher spoke slowly. She used simple words. I understood some of it. Not everything, but enough. I listened for 5 minutes. Then I repeated after her. My voice was quiet and shy at first, but after a few minutes, I started to feel something. I started to feel alive. The next day, I listened again. 10 minutes this time. Every day, I practiced. Sometimes 5 minutes, sometimes 15 minutes. I learned new words, small words, simple words. But these words gave me hope. I wrote them in a notebook. Today was a beautiful day. I feel happy I am learning something new. These small sentences helped me see my life differently. After 2 months, something amazing happened. My English wasn't perfect, but my life started to change. I started to feel brave. I started to believe in myself again. One afternoon, I was in a bookstore. I saw a woman looking at books. She looked confused. She was holding a map. I heard her speak. She was speaking English. She was a tourist. Before, I would walk away. I would stay quiet. I would feel afraid. But that day, I walked to her. I said, "Hello, do you need help?" She smiled. She said, "Yes, please. I'm looking for the train station." I helped her. I spoke in English. My English was simple, but she understood me. We talked for 3 minutes. She thanked me. She said, "Your English is very good." I smiled so big. After she left, I felt something incredible. I felt proud. I felt strong. I felt like I could do anything. That moment showed me something important. Learning English wasn't just about words or grammar. It was about connecting with people. It was about helping someone. It was about feeling part of the world. Now, I still practice every day, just 10 or 15 minutes. Sometimes I listen to podcasts. Sometimes I read short stories. Sometimes I speak to myself in the mirror. I don't study because someone tells me to. I study because I want to. Because English is not just a language for me. It's a door. It's a key. It's a reminder that I can always start again. It's never too late. It's never too difficult. You just need to start. One word, one sentence, one day at a time. All right, that was my story. Simple, true, and powerful. Now let's practice together. Try repeating these sentences right now. I used to study English. I used to study English. I started again. I started again. I felt brave. I felt brave. I said to myself, maybe I can try again. I said to myself, maybe I can try again. Here are some shorter phrases you can practice. I felt stuck. I felt stuck. I didn't know what to do. I didn't know what to do. I started to believe in myself. I started to believe in myself. I felt proud. I felt proud. Try repeating these sentences right now slowly, clearly, and with emotion. Thank you for listening to another episode of Learn English. And I will see you in the next shadowing practice. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep believing in small changes. Remember, you can always start again. Bye for now.